Hi, today we're going to have fun. We're going to use, it's the Masterbuilt electric bullet smoker. These retail for around $89. They had this at Home Depot so for 40 bucks. So I'm just like, yeah, this sounds fun. Let's try this out. But I've plugged it in and you just set it on high there, bring it up to temperature. It's around 200 degrees. It took like 20 minutes to get it up to that. It's about 60 degrees outside right now here, but now we're going to get ready to cook. I got some ribs there to cook. The lid has a little hook right there you can hang right on the side, but it has a water pan in here, so we want to put some water in there. And I think I'm going to smoke these. I think the total time will be around 5 hours, but we're just going to let it smoke for 3 hours or so, and at that point we'll pull the ribs off and we'll wrap them in tin foil and stuff and cook them. But there's that. And then what I'm going to do is, it has 2 grates. I think I'll be able to set both those ribs on one grate, so I'm just going to have it set this grate right in there, and we'll put the one right up higher. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cook on that bottom grate that's closer down and probably just try that out. So I'm going to put these ribs on here like that. And if you have more, that fits pretty good on that grate, just put the top one on there and you can put some more meat on there, or put the lid on. And then we want to add some wood chips. So I have apple chips. These are just Kingford. They're dry, so they'll smoke a lot. If you don't want a lot of smoke, then you can soak them in water for a while. But I'm just going to load these in there. Like I said, we'll just keep an eye on it. When the smoke dies down a little bit, or if it needs water, we'll just add some more at that point. And then at the 3 hour mark, we'll see if it's ready to be wrapped in tin foil, and so we'll see you back. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. It's smoking. It smells so good. But yes, the clip earlier, I forgot to tell you what I put on the ribs. What I did is I lathered a little bit of mustard on both sides, and then I put a little of this pork and poultry Traeger rub, and then this is Roy's rub. We got this at a little what do you call them, Jenny, sportsman's convention type deal. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're going to try that out too. Like I said, I'm going to cook this for about 3 hours. It looks like it's at about 185 the temperature, so I want to check. I'm just going to take a peek and look at the water level. Still pretty good. Yeah, those are looking good. So we'll just leave that, and then I'm going to open this up and take a look at the wood. Oh yeah, I think we're good. So I bet there's enough. Yeah, we'll just let it go for another hour and a half. That'll be the 3 hour mark, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you back. Okay, let's check it. I want to check the temperature. We're at the 3 hour mark here. Looks like it's at 220-ish temperature. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, look at those. Let me turn this on, make sure it's on Fahrenheit. Go like that. But yeah, now the sun's out. It was raining earlier. Yeah, I might put a little bit more water in that water pan, but it's doing good. Yeah, it's going up. It's 165, 150. I mean 155. Looks like it's about 160. So at this point, I'm going to pull them off. We're going to wrap them in tin foil, and then I'm going to put them back in here for a couple more hours. So I think that's working pretty dang good. Yeah, 160. So we'll cut. I'll go get some tin foil. We'll wrap them up, put them back in the smoker, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready. After we wrapped them in tin foil, we put them back in there, and it's only been an hour and 15 minutes, which surprised me. The smoker's still holding at about 215 or so, but I got my probe in there. It says 203, so that's perfect. Oh, you can hear them down there sizzling. Look, the water's all gone. But let's pull these out, and then I'm gonna go take them in the house and let them rest for 10 minutes or so, and then we'll sample them out. So we'll see you back. Okay, let's try these ribs out. They smell delicious. We'll do this. Oh, that smells so good. So yeah, they're done for sure. You can tell, see the bones, they poke out the ends like that when they're done. Let's see what we can do here with it. Cutting the tin foil. I know it smells good. Just get a little sliver off here. So I don't want to cut that tin foil, but yeah. That's so good. Yummy. So there you go. Pork ribs smoked on the Masterbuilt electric bullet smoker. I'm going to wrap these up. I got some baked potatoes cooking in the oven. So when they get done, I can have dinner. But yeah, the flavor is great. So that took about 5 hours and 20 minutes or so. But there you go. I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.